Hello everyone, welcome back in today's class. Dear student, we have to start exercise 12.2 from Heron's formula, and question number 1 says we have our quadrilateral ABCD which is right angled at C. Angle AB side is given this, BC, CD all sides are given, and AD is given, that means all four sides are given. How much area does it occupy? They are asking what is the area of this quadrilateral. Okay, this is not a trapezium, this is not a what is to be called square, rectangle. So we have to find its area. How can we find its area? We can draw a diagonal to make a quadrilateral into two triangles. So we have made two triangles here. Now we can find the area easily by using Heron's formula. Fine. Now just see, dear students, in this triangle BCD, one side is given 5 cm, another side is given 12 cm, and this angle is of 90 degree. Can we call it as right angle triangle? Yes. If it is a right angle triangle, and we want to know this diagonal for finding the area, because three sides should be known to us of a triangle for finding the area of the triangle. Okay, so we need to find this. How can we find out? By using Pythagoras for this triangle BCD we will be using. So in triangle BCD, student, you will mention here we have joined a line BD, we have drawn a diagonal BD. Okay, by drawing this diagonal we got this triangle BCD. Okay, now in triangle BCD, using Pythagoras, theorem, BD square, that means hypotenuse square, is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Okay, this is what we have studied in our previous class. BD square equals to, what is my BC? That is 12. What is my CD? That is 5. That means BD square equals to 144 plus 25, and 144 plus 125 is 169. BD square is equal to 169, and 169 is square of 13. So I got my diagonal, that is BD equals to 13 meter. Okay, I got this. And now I have to find the area of this triangle, and at last I will add both the areas. Very easily I can find area of BCD. So I can find area of BCD, area of triangle BCD. I can use area because this is a right angle triangle. I can use this formula 1/2 into base into height. What is my base? That is 12. What is my height? That is 5. Cut. What is the area of this lower triangle? That is 13 meters square. I got area of the lower triangle. Now I have to find area of this triangle. This is not a right angle triangle. This is a scalene triangle. All three sides are different. So what can we use? We will use Heron's formula. Area of triangle ABD. First I will find out semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter says 8. Sum of all side 8 plus 9 plus 12 divided by 2. This will be 20. It will be 29 divided by 2. 8 plus 9 17. 17 plus 13. This is 13, students, sorry. So it will be 30. 30 divided by 2. I will get 15 as my semi-perimeter. I have to find out area. Area says S into S minus A. What is my S? That is 15. S minus A. 15 minus 8 7. 15 minus 9 6. 15 minus 13 2. Next I will break them down. 15 I can write 5 multiply by 3. 7 will remain as 7 because it is in its simplest form. 6 I can write 3 multiply by 2, and this 2 will remain in its position. Fine. Now the next step we have to make pairs. This 3 and 3, both the pairs, so 3 will come out, and this 2 and 2 will come out. This 5 and 7 unpaired will remain inside the root. Now it will be 6 root 35. Now we have to find root of 35, and we will multiply with 6. What is the root of 35? We can find in rough. See, how can we find out area of this? Sorry, root of this. Root 35. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 6, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, it will be 10. Then put a decimal, we will bring two more numbers, square double of 2, 10, I will go with 9, 5.9, it will be 981. Okay, it is enough, 5.9. So what is the value of this root 35? The value is 5.9. 6 multiply by 5.9, multiply these two, 6 9s are 54, 5 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 5, 35 meter square. Okay, this is the area of this triangle. I got both the areas, so I can add them. Here I will write area of quadrilateral, area of quadrilateral is equal to area of ABD above triangle plus area of BCD. Okay, what is the area of ABD that we have found here? That is 35.4 students. And what is the area of BCD that we found? 15 here. 15 is the 30. This is the area 30. So 35.4 plus 30, what is the if we will add these two, what is the area? That is, if we will find it more, it is 65.4. It may go further, 65.5 if we find the number which is greater than 5 here, meter square. This is the area of the required quadrilateral. Okay, I hope this question is clear for you. Let us go for question number 2 of this exercise. Question number 2 says, find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is given, BC is given, CD is given, DA is given, AC is given. All the sides are given. No right angle triangle, nothing. So how many? Already we have two triangles. We can use Heron's formula in both the triangles because one is isosceles triangle, another one is scalene triangle. So first, I will take area of. I will find out area of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, S equals to 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 2. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 5 12 divided by 2, that is 6. So I will find it area of triangle, that means 6 minus 3, that is 3, 6 minus 4, that is 2, 6 minus 5, that is 1, students. Now I can break this 6, 2 multiply by 3 and 3 multiply by 2 are already there, pair of 3, pair of 2, 3 and 2 both will come out. So what is the area of this triangle? 6 centimeter square. Area of this triangle is 6 centimeter square. The same procedure we will use for the above triangle. In triangle A, C and D, same as we will find out area. As we will find out, that is 5 plus 5 plus 4 divided by 2. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 divided by 2 you will get 7. Fine, 10 14 divided by 2 7. Area, what is the formula of area? S, what is S? 7. 7 minus 5 2, 7 minus 5 2 and 7 minus 4 I will get 3. So I got one pair only, so 2 will come out. What is remain inside? That is 21. So here we need to find out area of 21, sorry, root of 21. How can we find out? See, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are will go, 4 4s are 16. What come under 5? So put a decimal here, 2 zeros will come, double of 4 8, and it will go with 6, no, it will go with 5, 4.5, 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 42. So this is enough, 4.5 I will take it as 9. It will go with something, 4 point something will go, no, so round off I have taken, that is 9. Now student, what I will do, I will add both the areas. Area of quadrilateral ABCD. So area of this is area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. What is the area of this triangle? 6. and the area of this triangle. Student, it may come in points, क्योंकि मैंने डेसिमल के बाद सिर्फ एक ही पॉइंट लिया है, आपका थोड़ा आगे चलेगा तो ये पॉइंट में जा सकता है. ओके, सो अगर हम राउंड ऑफ करेंगे तो व्हाट इज माय आंसर? माय आंसर विल कम 15. ओके 15 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। आंसर आपका डेसिमल में जा सकता है क्योंकि मैंने जब रूट निकाला 21 का तो एक ही डेसिमल को कंसीडर किया। अगर आप चाहें तो आप 2 डेसिमल को भी लेके कर सकते हैं। हाउ देख लेते हैं एक बार। यहाँ पे आपका कितना आ जाएगा 5, यहाँ पे आपका कितना बच जाएगा 9, 9 में से 2 जाएगा 7, 2 जीरोज और ले लेते हैं। 45 का डबल क्या होता है 90, 8 जा पे ये चला जाएगा आपके पास 8 जा, तो यहाँ पे आपके पास आ जाएगा 8, और जब आप इसको करेंगे तो ये आपके पास बन जाएगा 9.1 और ये आपके पास बन जाएगा 6। ठीक है, अगर आप इसको राउंड ऑफ भी करना चाहें राउंड ऑफ, तो ये क्या बन जाएगा आपके पास 9.2। जब आप राउंड ऑफ 6 है ना, बड़ा है 5 से, सो इट विल बिकम एज 9.2। Here you may write it as 9.2 and answer may come 15.2. If you want to go the back side answer, the answer is given 15.2. I hope this question is clear for everyone. And student, the remaining question we will do in our next exercise. Okay, if you really like the video, if you find it useful for you, important for you, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. We will meet in our next video. Till then, goodbye and take care of yourself.